How do I view my Snapchat login history?
Hello Snapchat users. Today, we're going to walk you through a handy feature on Snapchat that you may not know about: how to view your Snapchat login history. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to check your login history, which can be really helpful for tracking your account activity or identifying any potential security concerns.
Why would I want to view my Snapchat login history?
You might be wondering, why would I want to view my Snapchat login history? Well, being aware of your login history can help you monitor your account security. If you notice a login from a device or location that you don't recognize, this could indicate that your account has been compromised. Understanding how to access this feature is a key part of maintaining your Snapchat account security.
Where can I find my Snapchat login history?
Now, let's get to the main part: how to find your Snapchat login history. 1. Open your Snapchat app. It's the yellow icon with a white ghost on your home screen or in the app drawer. 2. Tap on your profile. You'll find it in the upper left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. 3. Tap on Settings. The Settings option is the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the profile page. 4. Scroll down and tap on My Account. Here you will see several options related to your Snapchat account. 5. Find and tap on Login Verification. This is where Snapchat stores information about your logins. 6. Tap on Login History. Here, you can see a list of your Snapchat logins, including the dates, times, and potentially the locations of the logins. Please note that the layout of the app or the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the version of the app and the device you are using.
What should I do if I see suspicious activity?
If you notice a login from an unfamiliar device or location, this might mean that your account has been compromised. In this case, you should change your password immediately. This can help prevent the person from logging back into your account. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second form of verification when logging in. Remember, your Snapchat account is a part of your digital identity. Keep it secure. And there you have it. Now you know how to view your Snapchat login history. We hope this guide has been helpful and you've learned something new about keeping your Snapchat account secure. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping!